Hello foodies, it's my pleasure to welcome you back to my YouTube channel. Of course, if this is your first time, don't forget to subscribe. Well, it's the festive season and you know one of the prominent meals is fried rice. I have good news for you. Today we'll be making fried rice, so let's jump in. Firstly, we are going to fry the onions for a bit and then add some curry and thyme for some extra flavor. Besides curry, add to the color of the fried rice. And then I'm going to add some ginger powder. I love ginger powder in my fried rice, but it's totally optional. Now I'll be going in with the parboiled rice and stir fry for like 5 minutes. This stage is very important. It helps your fried rice to last longer. Now I'll be adding the meat broth. I actually use turkey broth. It is very essential that you make your meat broth very rich so as to make your fried rice very delicious. I'll be adding enough water that will help cook my rice till done, and then some salt and seasoning for some extra taste. Now that the rice is done, it's time to prepare the veggies and whatever it is that you want to add to your fried rice. But I'll be using shrimp and I'm going to be using liver in my own case. So the first thing you want to do is to fry your already seasoned shrimp. Make sure you fry it till done, and then you've also fried the liver as well. Then I'm adding the green peas. I like to add the green peas first because it takes longer to get done, sort of, and then the carrots. I'm also going to add the green pepper because it's highly rich in nutrients. And then I'll stir fry for like 5 minutes. I like my veggies to still taste crunchy, but if you don't like yours to be crunchy, you can cook it for more than 5 minutes. And then you add the rice, the already cooked rice, and stir fry. So it's time to add the sweet corn. This is one ingredient that you will always find in my fried rice because it gives it one nice taste. And then I add the spring onions lastly to give it that extra crunchiness. And then not to forget our fried shrimp. So add it to it and stir fry all together. It is very important that you stir fry your fried rice. This makes your fried rice stay longer. So our fried rice is ready to be served. If you have any questions, you can type it in the comment section. I'll be sure to reply. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video.